And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. It has been a very warm, even hot Sunday afternoon with temperatures reaching the 90s. Right now on the radar, things are still looking very quiet, but we have a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms early on this evening. And take a look at the risk map. This is the severe weather outlook risk map for this evening. You will notice that the lower valley and part of Hidalgo County, the eastern portion of Hidalgo County, has a marginal risk, the lowest risk for severe weather that is early on this evening through about midnight tonight, ahead of a cold front that will pass through this evening. The slight risk is up to the north around Corpus Christi and just around Houston, and it's been a very bad, tragic situation for people in Louisiana. High risk continues of severe weather for northern Louisiana, but happily for us, just a marginal risk of severe weather that is early on this evening. Let's talk about some of the things we could be expecting. It is a small risk, that's the key word, of severe storms for the lower valley. The threats are damaging winds and hail, but the tornado risk is extremely low. And in the upper right-hand corner, there's a time frame, 6 o'clock this evening through about 11 o'clock tonight. Later on tonight, past midnight, things will be quiet and a cooler start for tomorrow morning. We just have to get through this hot early evening. Look at the temperatures right now. 93 degrees in Weslaco. It is 97 degrees in McAllen, 98 in Rio Grande City. To the east, 95 in Harlingen. We're in the upper 80s, meanwhile, in Port Isabel, Raymondville, and Brownsville, 95 in Edinburgh. So evening planner forecast again. We think there is a slight chance for some spotty showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the lower valley early on this evening through at least 11 o'clock this evening. 87 degrees at 7 p.m., partly cloudy skies. We think that areas to the west into the upper valley should be on the dry side tonight. 82 degrees at 9 p.m. and then 78 degrees at 11 o'clock this evening. Behind that front, the humidity will drop. It's going to feel much nicer for tomorrow morning. Here's a surface map. We have the big upper level low spinning over West Texas, a surface front, the cold front over Central and South Texas, just to the west of the upper valley. And again, a tragic situation in Louisiana with severe thunderstorms passing through. There's the warm front. We have still multiple tornado watches in place for parts of East Texas, Southeast Texas, Louisiana, all the way into Mississippi. Severe thunderstorm watches for northern Mississippi, and one severe thunderstorm warning just to the northeast of Corpus Christi, moving off to the east. So as these two systems, the upper level low and the cold front, move off to the east, things will quiet down later on tonight. Here is Future Track. The model is painting a chance of some showers and thunderstorms for Cameron County at 7 o'clock this evening. You could see some showers and thunderstorms according to the model around 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock toward Port Isabel, as well as areas west of South Padre Island. The front should clear the area, we think, around 11 o'clock tonight or midnight, and behind it, skies will start to clear by late tonight into early tomorrow morning. The best news is that it will feel much less humid for tomorrow. It's going to be warm tomorrow afternoon, but not humid for Monday. Small craft should use caution tonight in the offshore waters. There is a chance for some spotty showers and thunderstorms thanks to the front. We'll have winds out of the west and northwest at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are moderate chop. Your next tide is a low tide at 2:24 a.m. and the seas are 3 to 8 feet. Your forecast for tonight, a 20% chance of some evening showers and thunderstorms, primarily in the lower valley with a low temperature of 61 degrees. We'll have winds behind the front out of the northwest and north at 5 to 10 miles an hour. So a cool start tomorrow morning, but warm, even hot for tomorrow afternoon. Sunny skies, again, at least not humid, thanks to winds coming from the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour. We have a hot Tuesday on tap with high temperatures in the mid-90s. It is sunny and breezy on Tuesday. Another front arrives early Wednesday morning, so go to 84 degrees on Wednesday. The normal high by the time of this year is 84 degrees, so a tad below normal Thursday and Friday. And look at that, down to 56 degrees by Thursday morning. That's